What's up, guys? It's D-Max Christmas, and I apologize for any white noise that's in the background. I'm in a room with a lot of fans, and they can't be turned off because I don't feel like unplugging them, and they don't have knob things, so yeah. Alright, so today we're unboxing, for my first real video on the channel, the Walmart 2022, I believe. He might be back. Jack Skelington Christmas animatronic. So this guy is really awesome. I think he's the only Christmas Jack Skelington ever released, which is crazy because he wears the Santa suit in a lot of the movie. So yeah, I've had this guy for a few years. I got him on, I think, January 1st. Here's what the moving hand. Here's the stationary hand. Here's Jack Skellington's head. It looks really cool. I really love this animatronic. Here's an arm. Here is his base. And yes, if you guys weren't aware, this is a Gemmy product. So, like all Gemmy products, he has an adapter, but also a try-me button. Which I love the addition of a try-me button. It just, like, animatronics that are Halloween and Christmas. One thing I have to point out real quick though, these shoes are so thick. It's crazy. But anyways, I don't even need the instructions. But animatronics in general don't come with step pads or try-me buttons, which I mean, I guess it's an extra thing for a company. But if you're gonna like sell this product, okay, sorry, I apologize for that, but if you're gonna sell this product, you should give us a try-me button, because these things are expensive. Yes, they are. So we're gonna attach all these D-poles. They're, I think, all the same. Again, I'm not using the instructions because this guy is pretty straightforward. So now we will put this down. Now would be a good time to put on the shoes, which this guy is backwards, so. Which, another thing is, they have these awesome shoes, but you don't see them because they're covered with cloth. So now I'm gonna put on the leg, or the pants. Because I used to not want to make Christmas videos because my normal channel, D-Max Productions, if you haven't watched it, go subscribe, is a Halloween-based channel. Probably the same audience, but with, you know, they just don't tend to post, or not post. Which I never, this is how he's looking so far. You should probably put in this arm for Christmas animatronic unboxings. But sadly, I only have one more. I only have Krampus left. Which, yeah, you can argue really isn't a Christmas animatronic. This guy is more of a Christmas animatronic than Krampus, because Krampus is a horror movie. Nightmare Before Christmas is not a movie. It really is a family movie. Alright, that is on. Now we will put the hand. There it goes. Because I wanted to. Alright, so what do I think of Jack Skelington here? Well, he's a very cool animatronic and a unique one at that. He stands around, I think, 7 feet, maybe a little over 6 feet. I don't know what to say. I love the animation that they gave him with the hand. The mouth animation is really good too. He's a very big improvement over the Spirit Halloween one from 2017. Here are his shoes. I wish, like I said, they just made boot covers for the plastic shoes, because I like the plastic shoes. They look more real. But it's just so awesome and sculpted awesome. Again, here's a look. I'll show you inside the mouth. It's just black in there. I like the beard here and how they did it. He's normally more filled out. I just forgot to put the foam in his legs. So, yeah, that's on me. So yeah, overall, he's a very cool and unique animatronic. And if you can find him, and if he restocks somewhere, I would definitely recommend getting him. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Again, subscribe to DMAX Christmas. And like and comment. And goodbye.